We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian Dolce vita. Venite con noi. Ciao everybody, I just wanted to come on here before the video actually started just to let you know that this week's video is slightly shorter than our normal videos, and it's just because we've got family members coming over and we wanted to just spend some precious time with them. We've got so much catching up to do, so much chatting until late at night, and I just thought it would be a little bit boring just, you know, always focusing on us just chatting. So that's the reason. I also wanted to just say that we met a lovely couple this week, a couple from Liverpool and south of Wales, and they've got a lovely family and they've bought a house down right by the beach, and they are planning on moving here forever, which is amazing. So they reached out to us, we had a little bit of a chat, and they seem like such a nice family. It'll be great to one day just all meet up and have a barbecue at somebody's house and just enjoy Sicily as it is. So never be afraid to make that move, maybe just to come out and explore and see what it's like. I mean, a young family like them have decided that they are going to be moving here forever. So I take my hat off to them. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. That really helps our channel. A like and comment. Anyway, have a lovely week and I'll see you next week with another one.
Yeah, the shower's going to have to go to this one.
Okay.
Shower's going to have to be...
Yeah, I was thinking that. Yeah, I was thinking there's a little bit of a space there.
I don't know where, but it has to be somewhere ambience.
Even if we extend the shower and we just put it like in front of the thingies, the trees. What do you think? Yeah, extend the shower there, like psh.
What are you up to? Well,
Just sorting out the shower.
okay.
I built a little wooden platform, which I'm going to waterproof.
Nice.
And
It's quite handy here because you have a little shower and then you can go into the pool.
yeah.
Very nice. Painted the side of the decking, just the first coat, and the inside over here, because obviously this is where all the splashing is going to be. Yeah, paint is finished and it's a public holiday, so I'm gonna have to get it tomorrow, but then tomorrow Massi's brother and sister-in-law arrive, so probably won't have time to do it. We'll leave it till a couple of days. Anyway, splendid day. The water looks very inviting and I might just go for a little dip. Time. We just had a cup of tea and we're relaxing after a very hot day. Yeah, I finished painting. I did a couple of layers again on the decking. Massi did the shower, which looks great. I don't know if you guys can see this. Yeah, I wanted it in the middle of the banana trees just to give it a bit of a tropical vibe, and then I just laid all those stones down, and the intention is first to put down like a waterproof sealant and then to stick those stones on top. But yeah, we're tired now. Sunset, so we're leaving it for now, and then we'll have to do it maybe when Massi's brother arrives. He may give us a hand, who knows. I know that he just wants to relax. But yeah, what do you guys think of this stony look? I had some stone left over and I thought, it looked quite nice. Right, we have rented this little Citroen. Is it a Citroen?
Yeah.
We rented this little Citroen just to go pick up Fabio and Lynn, and actually we're going to hang on to it for a couple of days because obviously it's 4 of us and we can't fit in a smart 4 of us. So
no, it's a bit small.
we're off to the airport.
We didn't come here. Flower bag, hold on. Make me
What does this landscape remind you of?
Sicily, the Coglioni familia.
Coglioni?
You tell them Corleone, I have arrived and I'm changing a lot of shit. Okay, enough is enough. Basta. Yeah.
Don't put that on your bloody podcast.
Cheers!
Cheers. And on the right, maybe? Yeah, there you go. Where?
I spoke Italian because I had to.
No, but I'm saying you didn't enter, yeah. See, yeah, a lot of ways you can make money. Yeah.
Yes.
I like these serving bowls.
Italiaans. Dat landen doen.
Right, Fabio, how was your meal tonight?
My
What did
meal
you have?
was fantastic. Everything was just the bomb.
Yes.
The food.
Tell me about the taste of the food compared
It is
to...
unbelievable. It is fresh. Everything is fresh. Lemons. I love lemons. Look at this.
Lenny
Look at
has so
this
many
lemon.
lemons, doesn't
Everything
he?
is just something else. And yeah, I'm really thinking about immigrating because of the food.
Just
maybe.
because of food.
Just because of the food, yeah. No, this is really lovely, Maria.
Good.
This is living the life. Bugger the cities, bugger everything. This is how I want to live.
It's nice, eh?
And it's up to my queen. Well, let's see what she says. Not that I'm still the boss, but I mean, we got to give her some say somewhere.
Let him have his little speech, Lynn.
Till we get home.
Till you get home.
We'll see who's the boss.
Really,
Ah, that's funny.
okay. All right. Then we
Sunday morning, buongiorno. I'm gonna take Lynn, our sister-in-law, to the vintage market in Piazza Santa Lucia. It's something that you don't really find in Africa anymore, at least I think. Anyway, so I'm gonna be taking her there, and then we're gonna go for a nice cappuccino. So yeah, come along.
It's on my own. And Yugoslav. Oval.
Table.
I put the dressing table, which is like French.
Beautiful, like that.
Yes. It's gonna be
Stunning, eh? So we just bought one to give to a family member.
and then we'll get mint somewhere.
Yeah, we'll get some mince and some rice. So Lynn's gonna do some stuffed peppers. Nice. So Lynn's just gone into the church just to have a look at this beautiful church that we have here in Piazza Santa Lucia, and then we're gonna make our way home.
I think the older we get, the more we appreciate things like this.
Absolutely.
I always loved it though.
Stunning.
Doesn't matter how young I was. I
But
always loved
as you get older,
it.
you do
just
appreciate.
it more.
It's true. It is always a pleasure to show someone who's never come to Sicily around. I feel very, very proud to be part of this beautiful island. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this week's video, and we'll see you next week with another one. Ciao, alla prossima!